welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing this awesome Hulk set of Nerf gun. So let's do it. We have ourselves the rubber fist for hitting things. Kids, don't try this at home. Don't try becoming the Hulk from Infinity War at home. This is for science only. For me. Only I could do the science. Okay, kids? Oh yeah, we have the barrel extender or scope, I guess. I'm loving it. Woo! Okay, it's a little bit harder. You have to do that to actually load the barrel. But start testing, shall we? Come on, let me grab some friends, or should I say siblings, real quick. So Lizzie is testing out our awesome spy and scope barrel thing. And Logan's here to test out our blasters. Hey guys. Now I'm here to test out Smash. So Lizzie, use your spy scope. Okay, Logan. You know how to work the blaster?
Probably not.
It's cocked already, so you just press this button to shoot.
So how do you cock it?
You have to put a bullet inside of it first, but then you pull this back. That's already cocked.
Pull what back?
Pull this. That's already cocked.
Okay.
Lizzie, get out of the camera time. It's time for Logan. Oh, where has a bullet? It's time for Logan. Logan, shoot the camera. Shoot the camera. Press the button. Logan can't press the button. Oh, Logan got that.
Lizzie, it hit your head.
Okay, let me see my slide. Let me see my things.
I'm good. I want to try
Let me
this.
see my things. Lizzie, can I see the spy scope? Thank you. Okay, Lizzie, I'm back in front of the camera. Lizzie, let me get in front of the camera. Now what? Smash!
Neat.
Did you do cameraman at all, Logan?
No.
So as you can see, we have this Hulk thing. We have this epic blaster.
Yay.
And this scope. Now I'm going to show you the combinations. Lizzie, Logan,
Yeah.
leave now.
Wait, show them the inside of what it looks like from the scope.
Lizzie. Logan, leave now. On my command, leave. 3, 2, 1, leave. So guys, I'm going to show you different combinations of how this thing works. As you can see, we have this awesome chair here to show us how to do it on this kitty. So first of all, we have Hulk Cannon. I made up names. Hulk Cannon. It's like this. Shoot. You're good. And there's another combination for us. As we can see, like that. We call this the Hulk viewer because then I have my scope. It can go bam. And then we have another one. I need to actually shoot this first, so or take the bullet out. Take this fist part off. I call this Crossbones because it reminds me of the villain from Crossbones from Hydra. Then we put this on. Oh yeah, Crossbones. Boom, boom, boom. So guys, that was the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the awesomeness of Hulk from Infinity War Nerf Assemble Gear. This is not sponsored, do not worry. Just buy it though, just telling you. Nerf made some, and Marvel made some awesome products. So this is rubber right here, so you can actually hit people with that. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.